So now I need to add in the rice. Right. It is sort of a bit sort of sticky. It's supposed to be, apparently. So just get that in there. So that's the rice. The egg would have been added before the rice, but I only have one egg for the omelette. So now just fry that a bit. I don't know how long you're supposed to fry it for. I suppose not that long. Just one other swirl. Say hello, Dad.
Hello, Dad.
There you go. Right. How long do you reckon you have to fry the rice for in the pan? Do you think? How long would you guess at for frying the rice?
3 minutes.
Yeah, not long. I wouldn't have thought. The rice was a bit sort of sticky, but apparently that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
So it's certainly looking better than my last attempt at rice. Plates. So plates can go there to hold the rice. Plates the rice when it's finished frying. You're supposed to add carrots, but I couldn't be bothered with sort of they wouldn't have messed up my times if I had carrots. And supposed to add that, but it was taking up a lot of time, the carrots, and also you're supposed to add egg, but there was only enough egg for the omelette, not enough egg for the rice. And you're supposed to season it with salt, the rice, as well as the omelette, but I'm trying to cut salt out of my diet a bit more for health purposes. Right, now it's just going to plate. So, put everything in. So, in goes the rice. I've cooked too much rice, I think, maybe here. Sure. Rice. Now I've got rice in my pan, which I don't want doing an omelette. So get this rice out of the pan so I can do my omelette. Shouldn't take too long. There's a man in my kitchen. What?
Who's that?
You. Right. Oil in pan. Gordon Ramsay says it like oil, pan, cook.
Gordon Ramsay's little wank.
Well, I wouldn't have said that. Well, I would have been. There we go. Right. Oil, pan. Oil in pan. Omelette. Mixing, pour into pan. Right. Okay. That omelette's not looking brilliant, but that will have to do. That was a very small egg. That omelette's not looking good. That's not. Oh dear.
As far as omelettes go.
Yeah, it's such a bad omelette. That's not good. It's always holy, not holy as in, God, but as in
yes,
full of holes.
I don't usually get
Indeed. Oh, no, it's completely gone. That's not even going to work. Oh, that's a disaster. Look at that. That's got holes in it. That omelette. This is the worst omelette I've ever made. That's gone completely wrong. But it was literally not my fault, that was the egg. The egg was not big enough to make an omelette. So I'm blameless in this. I'll try and save it as best I can. I mean, that's really gone wrong. Right. I mean, this is not good. This is the worst omelette I've ever made. I mean, look at it. Look at it. But that's literally anyone, even the top chef in the world, the omelette would have looked like that if he had had one tiny egg. Dad, wouldn't even the top chef in the world have made an omelette that looked like that if he only had one tiny egg? Exactly. If you'd made an omelette with one tiny egg, would it look like that? As an omelette cooked for 40 years?
Yeah.
Exactly. So that is not the workman, that is the tool. I mean, that was always going to happen, wasn't it? Well, but in this case, the tools are a fault.
What you could have done,
yeah,
was when you put it in, you could go like that, so it just came here.
So just left it on one side of the pan.
Yeah.
I remember that if I left with one small egg at the end. Now we put the rice inside the omelette. Yep. But I mean, there's not, right, that'll be right. This has gone, every time I cook something for the first time it goes wrong. There's a little bit of rice inside the omelette, a bit of rice on the plate. If I was to put all the rice on the plate inside the omelette wouldn't close. Now, just fold over the omelette. I mean, this is not going to work either, is it? This is just going to be another part of a disaster.
It's just going to be scrambled egg inside your rice.
Yeah, which was supposed to be scrambled egg inside the rice anyway. There we go. I mean, look. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Not bad. Not bad. Well, it was a very nice idea, but I mean, had I not had only one egg, like in Shakespeare, an egg, my kingdom for an egg. Yeah. Right. Okay, now I've got to get this. I'll look at it before it goes in the pan. That's before it gets destroyed by attempting to put it in the pan. I'm aware that I've dropped rice on the floor. Right, now on the plate, I mean, that's gone wrong. I mean, look at this. This is just a disaster. That's completely ruined. I'll have to do this a second time. I mean, look at it. It fell apart whilst going onto the plate. Danny's eating the rice off the floor. I mean, what's that? Well, that looks, disappointing, doesn't it? I mean, that's disappointing.
I'm sure it tastes better than it looks.
Yeah, I mean, but that was the fault of there only being one egg, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, no one could have done better with one egg. That was too small. It was the tiniest egg.
No.
Exactly.
Why don't you just run over the road in your car and get some contestants?
Well, that would have been a good idea. I thought that one egg would be alright.
No.
Small as it was. If it had been one egg that was larger, it could have made a nice omelette. You can make a nice omelette out of one egg larger, but that was too small. It was tiniest egg. Anyway, that'll have to do. There we go.